Hey kids, today we are going to draw a fire truck. Let's start with the wheels and a few simple lines. Next, we will draw the cabin as a big rectangle. For the back of the truck, just add a few lines. Please subscribe to help our channel grow. You can find the crayons in the description below. Now look how easy it is to draw the ladder. How are you doing so far? This is a very simple fire truck to draw. We will color it red because that's the color fire trucks usually are. And do you know why? A long time ago, red paint was the cheapest and the easiest to get, so fire departments use it for their trucks. Great job! See you next time.